with the windows open, yeah. Live it up, live it up. Mama, we made it, we live it now. Fill up the building and break it down. Money keep falling, the ceiling go. I say the molly then go.
We have this Honda Black Turbo Machine.
Hi guys, this is Premesta 14.
Hi guys, this is Premesta 14.
Hi guys, it is Premstar 14.
Hey guys, this is Premsta 14.
Hey guys, finally this is Premsta 14 and today is the day when the whole of India was waiting for, and look at what all has arrived already.
Without your face, what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
We have Adesh, who is the part of this Throttle Kings group, which is a superbike club of Pune. And so what's your experience and what bikes do you have?
We have many naked bikes as well as sports bikes over here, and our group name is Throttle Kings. So especially what we do is we throttle the bikes. Most of the times, because that's our speciality. And we have Z800 and Benelli's with the free flow exhaust and many other exhausts like race fit exhaust as well as Akrapovic. So
what are the best? Which is your one favorite bike of all the?
my favorite bike is the Daytona, Triumph Daytona 675R. We have
Daytona 675. Yes, the owner.
This is Triumph Daytona 675R, which is having stock exhaust right now.
Rahul, who owns this Scorpio right here. So can you tell us more about this bike?
Basically, it's a completely customized bike. It is a total 1.5 foot wheelbase. Basically, the tire is huge, so it's quite easy to ride.
Okay, this is a Kawasaki C800. Basically, this thing is wrapped up in Captain America edition, and it has got a race fit Growler 2 exhaust. We have installed custom LED lights in this, and this has got a integrated tail lamp as well. Okay, now let's hear. This is Benelli 600i. We have made it custom wrap with white stripes. Basically, this has got a loud megaphone exhaust. Let's listen to it.
This was the Throttle King group of superbikes, and really the standout was the Captain America themed Z800, which was an absolute beast. And now let's just see what else we have on the other stalls. I was just roaming around and we have a supercar right here, and let's just see what this is. Let's just have a look at this now. Very, very special. It is brand new in Pune. There's nothing else but the Ford Mustang. So this is the Ford Mustang, and it is equipped with Orla exhaust, which are the loudest exhaust that is made for the Ford Mustang. And I really like the spec on this car. As you can see, it's an entirely blacked out car. You have the black satin black alloys, and you have the red Brembo disc brake. This is Soham, who owns this Aprilia RSV4, which is said to be the loudest bike, and in this such competition, this has been the loudest bike for consecutive 2 years. And let's just see what this bike is all about.
Okay, so hi guys, this is my Aprilia RSV4 R. It's a 2013 model, and this is company equipped with the quick shifter, the launch control, the wheelie control. It has 8-stage traction control. And that's my competition number for the loudest bike this year. I'm just gonna start it for you guys.
So let's see what makes this so loud.
Exact replica of MotoGP's hot body, hot body's MGP exhaust. It's pretty loud. It has a short baffle of 4 inches inside. That's about it. That's my bike.
So this was Soham and his insanely loud Aprilia Superbike.
Please guys do subscribe to Framester14 and enjoy vlogging.
Thank you. So guys, this neon bike right here, it is owned by him. He's the proud owner of this bike, Mr. Gajanan, and he is Mr. Sandeep Kanaria, who has customized this bike. So can you tell us the entire story of this bike, how the idea came up to paint this neon?
So I want that the Hayabusa, there is no one Hayabusa in Pune with fat tire. So I customized the full bike with fat tire, rolling toy kit, Huracan parts. Whole bike is customized. Only one bike in India which has fluorescent color. And it is done by Sandeep Kadam as custom.
Yeah, this bike is like the first Hayabusa in India with airbrushed in 18 hours. And all color is from custom from California, San Diego.
Okay.
And it took around 18 hours to paint.
Sorry?
Total 18 hours to paint and full to make the bike.
Okay.
Full from 4 days.
4 days, okay. So it's a very lengthy job to make this bike and to paint it. Okay, I'll put the contact details down in the description below so you can contact him for the painting of any of your bikes. Okay, thank you so much.
Kawasaki Ninja 650, Kawasaki ZX14 on red color, ZX10R, Ducati Scrambler, Ducati Multistrada, Ninja 1000. ZX14R, ZX14R, Honda Goldwing,
Two of them.
Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1300R, Yamaha R1, Kawasaki ZX10R, Kawasaki Z800, Ducati 821, Honda CBR 600RR, Daytona 675, Kawasaki ZX10R, Daytona 675, Kawasaki Z1000, Harley Davidson Street 750, ZX10R, Kawasaki, Harley Davidson IN883, two of them.
Okay. So guys, I'm ending the vlog here with the Beast, the Mustang, and it's a wrap for today. And it was an insane day where we saw so many superbikes, seriously so many superbikes together. And the noise that elevated here, the crowd that was screaming, that was appreciating the bikes, was excellent. So actually it's a 2-day event, and the event also continues tomorrow, but I can only make it for today. Anyways, it was a great day. See you on next Monday. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.
I need you to survive.